Ketamasa cherry blossom jong senam arajarar pesau jong ke jala Meghalaya kebayan sepelong nadu ke khasan Tarik hadu ke khat Henry Tarik ku nai wing hakaba ke sorkal jala kan ya trelang bat kari Japan lapan bena dau menteri ke kam jong kai perthai ke jala dau ba po lengdo kene ketamasa jong mentau senam kabla ai karteng gum ke the years of legend lani ke senam jong ki khanatang kakular ban kring ya kinong jong kai perthai na po kari bat na shabar kari ru kumju kene ke kenhun kadon ya shubun kenong roi papaunam na kaleng ke perthai ke bakentop ya kenong roi rock pop R&B Bollywood indie but Bollywood pop kabakham kongsan kalong baka kenhun tem papaunam jong kam Meghalaya ka Great Society kan sawan ni kendo biang hadin ka jing sangya kabalala lai phosan snam kanthi kanong lam khmat jong kane ka tamasa ka dei na ka kenhun boniam kabayadon lang ya ki dekhot nong seng ka Maisie Williams kaban sarwai kerpang hasu kum shibenta jong ka jing ya le kai tur kabakhaddu jong kane ka kenhun.
The Cherry Blossom Festival will be held on the 15th and 16th of November 2024, where, as usual, we expect footfalls to be immense, and we are also expecting travelers not from just the rest of the country, but even internationally. This year, we will be partnering with Japan, and we will also be graced by the presence of R3 Har, a titan in the EDM scene. Also, Bollywood chart-topping sensations Kanika Kapoor and Jasleen Royal will be an added attraction. Some tribute bands are also part of the lineup. These include Queen and Korn. Queen sensation from Russia, which will do covers of the most the well-known band Queen, and Korn SK from Slovakia will be electrifying the audience. This year will also see the return to the stage of our very own Great Society after a 35-year gap. And their return is sure to enrich the musical heritage of our state and the rest of the country. For K-pop fans, we will soon reveal the name of one of the biggest K-pop artists who's going to perform. And our biggest headliner, because of certain reasons, we will not be able to announce immediately today, but he will be performing at the Cherry Blossom Festival, and then will also host shows in Nepal, Thailand, and the Philippines through Rockski EMG for this 10-city Asian tour. Tickets will be available at bookmyshow.com.